Well, the Navajo Nation, located in parts of Arizona, Utah, and New Mexico, has been one of the hardest hit areas of COVID-19 and now has the highest infection rate in the United States. Joining us now to talk more about this impact is Navajo Nation President Jonathan Nez. Mr. Nez, thank you so much for being with us today. And we just said the Navajo Nation leads the country, unfortunately, in per capita infection rates. What are you doing to protect your community from further spreading this virus?
We're all working together here on the Navajo Nation to, bring that curve down here on the Navajo Nation. We have actually incorporated some really tough, strict policies by a shelter-in-place order, a stay-at-home order, as well as curfews every day from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. And this weekend, Amy, we're going to have the 7th 57-hour lockdown here on the Navajo Nation. And we're doing that because, the federal government just recently allocated funds to the tribes throughout the country. And, it's been 7 and 8 weeks ago since the monies came in to aid everyone throughout the United States, but tribal communities have been waiting. And so because of that, we have to utilize our own sovereign ability to help stop the spread of COVID here on the Navajo Nation. As you all were mentioning in the earlier segment, multi-generations of family members live under one roof. Here in Lakajigay, it's no different. We have a lot of folks living here in the most rural part of the Navajo Nation, and we just have a gas station here, and we only have 11 supermarkets throughout the Navajo Nation where our Navajo people get their food and supplies. And just to give you an update, Amy, 27,162 people have been tested here on the Navajo Nation. 4,253 have the virus. We are now tracking recovery rates. 1,026 have recovered. We have 146 deaths.
But as you look to the future, I'd love to hear from you what gives you hope for your community going forward.
Oh, thank you for that question, Amy. The folks behind me, they're the ones that are inspiring me, giving me hope as a leader of the Navajo Nation, because we're all in this together. They're out there getting the word out to our Navajo citizens. The best place to be and the safest place to be right now is at home. You have stories, not just here on the Navajo Nation, but throughout the country, of people in local rural communities coming together to help each other out. And let me just say, here on the Navajo Nation, we've been through some hard times in our history as Navajo people. And Amy, we will get through this pandemic here on the Navajo Nation by working together. And I urge all the states around us, let's slow the opening of businesses, please. Let's just not open businesses throughout the region. You see spikes happening in Texas and other states, but we are all in this together. What happens here on the Navajo Nation affects everyone around us and vice versa. So everyone that's staying home and listening to the healthcare providers, those professionals and those scientists, please adhere to their recommendations, and we will get through this together. Thank you so much, Amy.
Oh, thank you for your incredible leadership and your inspiring words. Navajo Nation President Jonathan Nez, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you, Amy. God bless.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.